Hello, today I'll be comparing Keurig Duo Hot and Ice Single Serve and Carafe coffee maker versus Cuisinart coffee maker 14 cup glass carafe. Be sure to watch the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee, Keurig is better, brewing capacity, Cuisinart is better, programmability it's die, brew strength control is die, iced coffee brewing, Keurig is better, hot coffee brewing it's die, milk frozen it's die, water reservoir, Keurig is better, heating speed, Keurig is better, ease of use, Keurig is better, filter type, Keurig is better, size and portability, Cuisinart is better, cleaning it's die, footprint design it's die, build quality it's die, special features it's die, price Cuisinart is better, which is best for Keurig is better, coffee quality it's die, durability it's die. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Keurig Duo Hot and Ice Single Serve and Carafe coffee maker. The link to buy it is in the video description.